EDCer, back with a quick video about a knife I just purchased a couple weeks ago from Bone Tactical. So this knife is supposed to be one of their cheaper knives they have. Come in a bubble wrap box, or bubble wrap, and then this box. I opted without the sheath. So here's the knife. It's like a plastic filled handle with a stainless steel blade. I think on their website they call it a 420 stainless. Pretty basic construction for the price. On their website it's $14.95 without a sheath, and then I think another $15 or $20 with a sheath. But just in the hand, there's no rattling, no give between the blade and the handle material. Got a little flex. No riding anywhere on the blade or the handle. Sort of grippy texture. Let's try to cut something real quick and see how sharp it is. Try it on this. Not too sharp out of the box. It'll cut, but it's not razor sharp. Well, that spot is. It took some of my hair off. I'd have to give it a good sharpening. So I hadn't really used it yet. I'm gonna try to keep using it and see how it holds up to the elements. See if it'll rust or anything like that, and if it will separate. If it has a tang, I would imagine it's probably a rat tail tang. If it'll separate from the plastic material handle. But we'll see how it does and get back to you about that. But to compare length, I've got a Hogue out the front here, just to give you a example of length and width. It's a $14.95, $15 knife basically. I think they sort of advertise as like a throwaway knife, something cheap enough to where if you use it and you got to ditch it really quick, it's not going to break the bank. This is the Bone Tactical Relentless, and here's a picture of it on their website. So you pay a little bit extra for a package deal and you'll get the lanyard and the sheath. But just the blade is $14.95. The complete neck system is $39.95. So still fairly cheap for what it is. But this is the EDC Relentless from Bone Tactical. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.